Welcome students. In last video we have studied specific heat capacity of a substance. In case of solids and liquids there is only one value of specific heat, but in case of a gas there are two definitions of specific heat. Specific heat of a gas at constant volume and the specific heat of a gas at constant pressure. And these two specific heats of a gas at constant volume and at constant pressure both are of two types. That is, first is principal specific heat and second molar specific heat. Principal specific heat means the specific heat defined for unit mass of a gas 1 kg, and molar specific heat at constant volume as well as at constant pressure is the specific heat defined for 1 mole of a gas. Instead of unit mass 1 kg, if we consider 1 mole of a gas, then that specific heat is called as the molar specific heat. And the value of specific heat at constant pressure is greater than the value of specific heat at constant volume. This is because when gas is heated at constant volume, then all the heat absorbed by the gas is used to increase the temperature only. And when the gas is heated at constant pressure, then its temperature increases as well as volume increases, and therefore the heat absorbed is used for two purposes. First, part of heat is used to increase the same temperature, and some part of heat absorbed is used to increase the volume, that is to do work during expansion. And therefore value of Cp, specific heat at constant pressure, is greater than the specific heat at constant volume. Cp is greater than Cv. And this relation between two specific heats of a gas is called as the Mayer's relation. In this video we study derivation of Mayer's relation किंवा proof of Mayer's relation. To prove the Mayer's relation, we consider 1 mole of an ideal gas. Consider 1 mole of an ideal gas, and this gas is enclosed in a cylinder, and the cylinder is closed by light, frictionless and airtight piston. झाकण. Let P, V and T, capital T, are the pressure, volume and absolute temperature of a gas respectively. Then the gas is heated so that its temperature rises by dT, but the volume remains constant. That is, first consider that the gas is heated at constant volume. आता व्हॉल्यूम कॉन्स्टंट असल्यामुळे फक्त टेम्परेचर वाढेल. When gas is heated, its volume increases as well as temperature increases, and if volume is kept constant, then heat absorbed is used only to increase the temperature, and dT is the rise in temperature of 1 mole of an gas. And the amount of heat supplied by the gas, that is heat absorbed by the gas, is suppose dQ1, and this dQ1, all the heat supplied or absorbed by the gas is used to increase the internal energy of the gas dE, that is to increase the temperature. When temperature increases, the internal energy also increases, that is internal energy represents the temperature of a gas. Therefore dQ1 is equal to dE, heat used to increase the temperature. And since the volume of a gas is constant, then no work is done in moving the piston. Piston remains fixed. No work is done during expansion, that is to increase the volume. As shown in this figure, PV, this is first condition, PV and T are pressure, volume and absolute temperature of 1 mole of a gas enclosed in this cylinder, and this cylinder is having piston. This is piston, and on this piston, above the piston, there is air and external pressure P. Then we consider two cases at constant volume. Case first, when gas is heated at constant volume, and case second, when gas is heated at constant pressure. Case first is if the gas is heated at constant volume and heat absorbed by this gas at constant volume is dQ1 and the rising temperature is dT. Pressure P remains same, volume V remains same, and temperature changes by dT, that is the temperature becomes T plus dT, and therefore this dQ1, all the heat supplied or absorbed is used to increase the temperature. And from the definition of specific heat, we can write the formula for dQ1. Similarly, case second, if the gas is heated at constant pressure, then its temperature increases as well as volume increases, and therefore the heat absorbed at constant pressure dQ2 is used in two ways, is used in two purposes. First, to increase the temperature by dT, and second, to increase the volume dV. Pressure remains same. Increase in volume dV. To increase the volume dV, piston is moved upwards through displacement dx against the external pressure P, and therefore the work is done during displacement, and this work done to increase the volume by amount dV is given by P into dV against the external pressure P. The work done becomes P into dV. If the gas is heated at constant volume, then all the heat supplied or absorbed dQ1 is used only to increase the temperature, that is to increase the internal energy dE of the gas. Let dT is rise in temperature of a gas, dt is increase in temperature, and Cv is the molar specific heat of a gas at constant volume. Then from definition of specific heat, we know heat absorbed is equal to mass into specific heat into rise in temperature. आता heat absorbed at constant volume असेल आणि मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट असेल तर मास ऐवजी येणार नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. इन्स्टेड ऑफ मास if we consider number of moles in case of a molar specific heat. Therefore, heat absorbed at constant volume by 1 mole of a gas is equal to number of moles into molar specific heat at constant volume into rise in temperature, and therefore we get dQ1 that is equal to dE. dQ1 equal to dE is equal to Cv dt, equation number 1. Then case second, if the gas is heated at constant pressure, then part of heat absorbed dQ2. Suppose at constant pressure heat absorbed or supplied to the gas is dQ2. Then this dQ2, part of this dQ2 is used to increase the same temperature dt at constant volume. Volume constant ठेवून dQ2 चा काही टेम्परेचर काही एनर्जी हीट एनर्जी टेम्परेचर वाढवण्यासाठी वापरली जाते. And some remaining part of heat is used to increase the volume dV. dV is the increase in volume. Increase in volume, that is to do work during expansion, and this work during expansion is suppose dW. This work done to increase the volume dV against the external pressure P to move the piston is given as dW is equal to PdV. Heat, part of heat used to increase the volume is dW is equal to P into dV. P is the pressure of a gas and dV is the increase in volume. Also, we can write the formula for dQ2. Similarly, heat absorbed at constant pressure, heat absorbed at constant pressure is equal to number of moles into molar specific heat at constant pressure into rise in temperature. आपण इक्वेशन 1 लिहिलं dQ1 इज इक्वल टू Cv dt, कारण ॲट कॉन्स्टंट व्हॉल्यूम. अगदी त्याचप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी dQ2 इज इक्वल टू Cp dt. ॲट कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर असल्यामुळे मोलार स्पेसिफिक हीट ॲट कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर Cp ही टर्म येईल या ठिकाणी. हिअर Cp इज द मोलार स्पेसिफिक हीट ॲट कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर. dQ2 is equal to Cp dt, equation number 3. In this case, this dQ2 is made up of two parts. dQ2 is equal to sum of dQ1, that is heat used to increase the temperature, keeping volume constant, to increase the temperature only, and dW, heat used to increase volume. And therefore we get, in case of at constant pressure, heating of a gas at constant pressure, heat absorbed dQ2 is equal to dq1 म्हणजेच dE प्लस dW, इक्वेशन नंबर 4. देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन्स 1, 2 and 3 इक्वेशन 4 बिकम्स, म्हणजे 1, 2 आणि 3 नंबरच्या इक्वेशनवरून 3 नंबरची इक्वेशनवरून dq2ची किंमत, 1 नंबरची इक्वेशनवरून dq1ची किंमत आणि 2 नंबरवरून dWची किंमत ह्या 4 नंबरच्या इक्वेशनमध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करून वी गेट Cp dt, dq2 म्हणजे Cp dt इज इक्वल टू Cv dt प्लस pdv. तर हे Cv dt लेफ्ट हँड साईडला घेऊन आणि dt कॉमन घेऊन वी गेट Cp मायनस Cv, वी गेट Cp मायनस Cv ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इंटू dt इज इक्वल टू pdv, इक्वेशन नंबर 5. Cp मायनस Cv इंटू dt इज इक्वल टू p इंटू dv, इक्वेशन नंबर 5. आता या 5 नंबरच्या इक्वेशनमध्ये p इंटू dv याची किंमत आयडियल गॅस इक्वेशनवरून आपल्याला लिहिता येईल. वी नो फॉर 1 मोल ऑफ ए गॅस आयडियल गॅस इक्वेशन इज PV is equal to RT. Here pressure P is constant and at final case after heating volume V ऐवजी volume becomes dV आणि temperature T ऐवजी temperature dt किंवा volume becomes V plus dV at final after heating and temperature becomes T plus dt. तर ह्या PV इज इक्वल टू RT या इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण व्हीची किंमत V प्लस DV सबस्टिट्यूट केली, म्हणजे P इंटू ब्रॅकेट V प्लस DV इज इक्वल टू R इंटू ब्रॅकेट T प्लस DT आणि ब्रॅकेट सोडवून दोन्ही बाजूला PV RT कॅन्सल होईल. PV इज इक्वल टू RT, एका बाजूला PV येईल दुसऱ्या बाजूला RT येईल, ते कॅन्सल करून राहिलेल्या टर्म याप्रमाणे मिळतील. PdV is equal to RdT. This is at constant pressure. Suppose this is equation number 6. Substitute value of PdV is equal to RdT from equation 6 in equation 5. Then we get 6. Equation 5 becomes Cp minus Cv ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इंटू dt इज इक्वल टू RdT. तर दोन्ही साईडला dt कॅन्सल होईल आणि Cp मायनस Cv इज इक्वल टू R, इक्वेशन नंबर 7. दिस इक्वेशन 7 इज द मेयर्स रिलेशन बिटवीन 2 मोलार स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ ए गॅस in unit of work, that is joule. All terms in equation 7 must be in same unit. Work done RdT is generally in joule and Cp आणि Cv या हीट्स आहेत, त्या कॅलरी किंवा किलो कॅलरीमध्ये पण असू शकतात आणि जूलमध्ये पण असू शकतात. तर Cp मायनस Cv इज इक्वल टू R या मेयर्स रिलेशनमध्ये R जर जूलमध्ये असेल तर Cp आणि Cvच्या किमतीसुद्धा जूलमध्येच असल्या पाहिजेत. ऑल टर्म्स इन इक्वेशन 7 मस्ट बी इन सेम युनिट अँड दिस इक्वेशन 7 इज इन युनिट जूल, दॅट इज इन युनिट ऑफ वर्क. अँड इफ Cp अँड Cv आर इन कॅलरी अँड वर्क डन इज जूल, देन दिस इक्वेशन 7 becomes Cp minus Cv is equal to R upon J, equation 8. This equation 8 is also Mayor's relation in unit calorie or kilocalorie. All terms Cp and Cv जर कॅलरी किंवा किलो कॅलरीमध्ये असतील तर कॅलरीचे जूलमध्ये कन्व्हर्शन करण्यासाठी त्याला जेनी मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागतं. जे म्हणजेच मेकॅनिकल इक्विव्हॅलंट ऑफ हीट अँड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज 4.184 joule per calorie. Mechanical equivalent of heat J is a conversion factor between calorie and joule or kilocalorie and joule. ज्याप्रमाणे मीटर आणि सेंटीमीटर यांच्यामधला कन्व्हर्शन फॅक्टर नंबर कोणता आहे 100नी गुणून किंवा भागून आपणाला मीटरचे सेंटीमीटर सेंटीमीटरचे मीटर कन्वर्ट करता येतात. त्याप्रमाणे कॅलरीचे जूलमध्ये कन्वर्ट करण्यासाठी जेनी मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागतं. 1 कॅलरी इज इक्वल टू 4.184 जूल. म्हणजे कॅलरीमध्ये जर एनर्जी असेल आणि ती जूलमध्ये घ्यायची असेल तर त्याला जेनी गुणायचं आहे. आता सी पी आणि सी व्ही जेनी गुणलं तर ते दुसऱ्या बाजूला घेतलं की आरला काय होईल भागिले होईल आणि सर्व क्वांटिटी मग एकाच युनिटमध्ये होतील म्हणजे जूलमध्येच. आता हे जे मेयर्स रिलेशन आहे इक्वेशन 7 and 8 सी पी मायनस सी व्ही इज इक्वल टू आर. दिस रिलेशन इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोलार स्पेसिफिक हीट in unit of joule in unit of work. and equation 8 आहे Cp minus Cv is equal to R upon J. This is also Mayer's relation between molar specific heat of a gas in unit of heat, that is calorie or kilocalorie. Cp आणि Cv च्या किमती जर कॅलरी किंवा किलो कॅलरीमध्ये असतील तर आर अपॉन जे येणार. सी पी मायनस सी व्ही इज इक्वल टू काय येणार आर अपॉन जे. आता ते सेम इक्वेशन इन केस ऑफ प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीट वी कॅन राईट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 8 वी कॅन राईट द मेयर्स रिलेशन बिटवीन टू प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीट्स ऑफ ए गॅस. फॉर दॅट we know relation between molar and principal specific heat. Molar specific heat is equal to molecular weight. Molar specific heat denoted by letter C is equal to molecular weight denoted by letter MO into principal specific heat S. 1 मोलचं मास म्हणजे मोलेक्युलर वेट MO आणि प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीट म्हणजे 1 युनिट माससाठी लागणारी एनर्जी. 1 kgसाठी लागणारी एनर्जी म्हणजे प्रिन्सिपल एस प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीट. आणि MOसाठी लागणारी एनर्जी म्हणजे काय येणार MO इंटू प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीट. मोलेक्युलर वेट इंटू principal specific heat is equal to we get molar specific heat. Therefore from this relation we write Cp is equal to MO into Sp. म्हणजेच molar specific heat at constant pressure is equal to molecular weight into principal specific heat at constant pressure. Similarly, Cv is equal to MO into SV. Cv म्हणजेच molar specific heat at constant volume is equal to molecular weight into principal specific heat at constant volume. Therefore, substituting this value of Cp and Cv in terms of Sp and Sv in equation 8 we get MO into Sp minus MO into Sv is equal to R upon J. MO कॉमन घेऊन कंसामध्ये Sp minus Sv is equal to R upon J आणि MO RHS साईडला घेतल्यानंतर Sp minus Sv is equal to R upon MO into J. Equation number 9. This equation 9 is the Mayer's relation between two principal specific heats of a gas in unit of heat, that is calorie or kilocalorie. आणि या ठिकाणी जे जर नसेल तर सूत्र काय होईल, SP मायनस SV इज इक्वल टू R अपॉन MO. दिस रिलेशन इज बिटवीन प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीट्स इन युनिट जूल. SP आणि SV ह्या स्पेसिफिक हीटच्या किमती जर ऑलरेडी जूलमध्ये दिल्या असतील तर RHS साईडला छेदस्थानी जे येणार नाही. आणि जर कॅलरी किंवा किलो कॅलरीमध्ये असतील, एक्झाम्पल सोडवताना विशेषतः जर स्पेसिफिक हीटच्या किमती कॅलरी किंवा किलो कॅलरीमध्ये दिल्या असतील तर मात्र RHS साईडला R डिवायडेड बाय जे येणार. मोलार स्पेसिफिक हीटमध्ये MO येणार नाही, प्रिन्सिपल स्पेसिफिक हीटमध्ये मात्र R अपॉन MO इंटू जे. थँक्यू.